Hello, how are you today?
Hi, I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. How about you?
I'm good too. I feel happy today.
That's nice to hear. Why do you feel happy?
Because today, I want to practice English. I want to speak better.
That's great. English practice is very important.
Yes, but sometimes I feel nervous when I speak English.
That's normal. Many beginners feel nervous.
Really? I thought only I feel this way.
No, not at all. Everyone feels nervous at first.
That makes me feel better.
Good. Remember, mistakes are okay.
I make many mistakes when I speak.
That's how we learn. Mistakes help us improve.
I want to speak English naturally.
You can. Just practice every day.
Sometimes I don't know what to say.
Start with simple sentences.
Like what?
Like, how are you? Or, what are you doing?
Okay, how are you feeling now?
I'm feeling relaxed and calm.
That's good. I feel calm too.
See? Simple English works.
Yes, I think too much before speaking.
Try not to overthink.
Overthinking makes English difficult.
Exactly. Just speak slowly.
Do I need perfect grammar?
No, communication is more important.
That's a relief.
People understand you even with mistakes.
I want to speak English with confidence.
Confidence comes with practice.
How do you practice English?
I speak a little every day.
Do you speak alone?
Yes, sometimes I talk to myself.
Really? Is that okay?
Of course, it helps a lot.
I will try that.
Good idea.
What should I talk about?
Talk about your day.
Okay. Today I woke up early.
Nice. What did you do next?
I brushed my teeth and had breakfast.
Very good. What did you eat?
I ate rice and eggs.
Sounds tasty.
Yes, it was simple but good.
See, you are speaking well.
Thank you. That motivates me.
You're welcome.
Sometimes people laugh when I speak English.
Ignore them. Focus on learning.
It hurts, but I will try.
You are brave for trying.
Thank you for saying that.
You should be proud of yourself.
I want to improve my pronunciation.
Listen and repeat.
Like podcasts?
Yes, podcasts are great.
I listen to easy English podcasts.
That's perfect for beginners.
Sometimes I don't understand everything.
That's okay. Understanding comes slowly.
Should I translate in my head?
Try not to translate too much.
It's hard.
I know, but practice helps.
I want English to feel natural.
It will one day.
How long does it take?
It depends on practice.
I practice a little every day.
That's the best way.
I feel shy speaking English in public.
Start at home first.
That makes sense.
Then speak with friends.
My friends also want to learn.
That's great. Learn together.
Learning together is fun.
Yes, and less scary.
What if I forget words?
Use simple words.
I don't need big words, right?
Right, simple English is powerful.
I like simple English.
Me too.
English helps in daily life.
Yes, for work and travel.
I want to speak with foreigners.
You will be able to.
I feel hopeful now.
That's good energy.
Let's practice more.
Sure, ask me something.
What do you do in the evening?
In the evening, I relax.
How do you relax?
I listen to music or read.
I like music too.
What kind of music do you like?
I like soft and calm music.
That's nice.
Music helps me feel peaceful.
Yes, it helps reduce stress.
Learning English also makes me happy.
That's a good feeling.
Sometimes I feel tired,
Rest is important.
but I don't want to stop learning.
You can learn slowly.
Slow learning is okay?
Yes, slow and steady.
That removes pressure.
Good. Learning should be enjoyable.
I enjoy speaking with you.
I enjoy it too.
I feel more confident now.
That's progress.
English is not so scary anymore.
Exactly.
I will continue practicing every day.
That's the key.
Thank you for encouraging me.
You're welcome.
I believe I can speak English.
Yes, you can.
Let's keep talking.
Yes, let's keep practicing together.